Hello, today I would like to present disinfection solution from Zhermack. It's Zeta 3 wipes total. It's a complete disinfection solution in the form of wipes, surface wipes. They come in a small plastic cylinder box that contains 120 disinfectant wipes. As you can see, the wipes are aldehyde and phenols free. They're based on an alcohol solution for rapid disinfection. This will ensure the surfaces will dry rapidly. The alcohol content is below 50%, which makes the wipes compatible with most surfaces and equipments you have in your dental or medical office. But to be sure, you should check on the Zhermack website for all compatibilities. These wipes have been tested with most surfaces, so you should be okay using on any surface you'd like to disinfect. The wipes are effective against bacteria, yeasts and viruses, including coronavirus, actually all coronaviruses, not just SARS-CoV-2. The action is between 1 and 5 minutes, and they're effective even in dirty conditions. The price per quality ratio is pretty good. I find them a bit on the thin side. I would like to see them thicker, as they're pretty prone to tearing. So I find myself using 2 of them together for any surface. But they're pretty effective in any situation. Once you finish the box, you can keep the box and order a refill, and reuse it, so it's environmentally friendly. Don't use a lot of plastic in order to use them. And that's about it. You just take wipes, wipe the surface you need, and throw the wipes to the disposal bin.